Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So, my friend Billy Bear sent me this kit today, and I thought it'd be cool to do a little unboxing of it. So let's take a look at this really cool kit.
What the heck?
Hey, oh, ow, I'm caught.
What are you doing?
I'm unboxing this kit Billy Bear sent me.
I don't think so. Who are you?
I don't know.
You're an imposter.
You got me.
An imposter has taken over Model Car Video Studio. What the heck? Where are you from? How did you get here?
I flew here.
With your arms?
Yeah,
I mean, really?
yeah.
Are you worn out?
I did.
Well, that's cool and everything. Let's take a seat over here.
Sounds good.
And we will. Oh, I got to put it on the tripod. So,
yeah.
Hey guys, this is fun. Jason's here. Figured we'd sit for a minute and talk. Oh, let me flip this up so we can actually see ourselves. Because if you can't see yourself, you don't really know what you're doing. How about that? Let's see. Look good. Look good.
There it is.
Okay. All right. So we are. And don't forget, you look at this thingy, not this thingy. Because if you look at this thingy, it looks like you're looking above this thingy.
Okay, so I gotta look at that thingy, not that thingy?
Yeah.
Okay.
You look at the thing that, you know, you get real personal with that black eye right there.
Okay.
Alright, so what I was saying is, he has flown in from all the way from New Hampshire. He flew all the way in with his arms, you know, flapping in the wind. Miss Heather on his back, and he made it safely.
I did.
And JaxCon is why he's here. Well, I mean, he came to spend the weekend with us, but yeah. JaxCon just happened to be.
Yep. Yep.
I mean, but
so it's a nice little getaway for Heather, and it's a cool model show for me to go to.
Yeah.
So it worked out really well.
And it's like two YouTubing model guys getting together and sitting in the model room and talking model stuff.
Absolutely.
It's pretty cool. I got to do that at his. I didn't spend the night or the weekend at his house, but we were like, you know what? Why don't you guys come on down? We'll make the best of it. We're going to go to Savannah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to go to Savannah and check out Savannah if it doesn't rain us out. It just happens to be raining. Today is Friday, and it has rained all day long.
It is. So it's like I told Fred, I tried to bring snow, but as the temperatures warmed up, it turned to rain.
It's like the movie Frosty the Snowman, you know, and the poor guy, he just melted.
Exactly.
But anyway, he said there was 2 foot of snow when he left his house, and
yeah,
it's short sleeve shirts and rain outside here, so it's a huge change for you.
It's okay. I'm good with it.
Yeah, well,
I'm good with it.
That's good. So we're going to have a good time at JaxCon.
Yes.
We're getting to teach him Southern culture. So
I actually went in a Piggly Wiggly today.
he went in a Piggly Wiggly, and I'm going to buy him a Piggly Wiggly t-shirt and send to him. Yeah, so Southern culture. I don't know what else, but we already have gone to the JaxCon pre-party thing on Friday. What time is it? Like 9?
It's
9 o'clock or something.
9:15, something like that.
9:15 at night. So we just got back. Fred Henry did a little quick live with us. So go check out Fred's quick live, and there at JaxCon. But it's going to be fun. We've already got our cars set up.
Yeah.
So we don't have to go in tomorrow and be stressed about it. Because one thing about shows, to me at least, is the dread is getting there with all your stuff, with everyone else, having to fill the cards out. So we went ahead, filled the cards out here at home, printed them. Our cars are at the mercy of whoever's locking the doors there. You know, it's like, I hope they lock the door.
I think they'll be okay. They survived the flight and the bus trip down. Mine did anyway, so I think they'll be okay sitting on the tables. Yeah,
his were in well packed, the plastic model cases, with all wrapped up with towels and everything. Looked really good. But you said there was some guy that did take your bag and treated
it. He did. So we took a bus from halfway between our house and the airport, and
I just feel so far away.
That's okay.
Get you zoomed in here.
Get me zoomed in. Well, the guy with the bus, he said, can I take your bag? And I handed it to him, and he proceeded to throw it under the bus.
Under the...
Like, there's these giant storage
So
compartments
he
under the
literally
bus.
threw it under the bus.
He
yeah.
literally threw my backpack, which had my models in it, under the bus. Yeah, and it was like the second bag in, so it hit the thing and slid.
Bam! Against the wall.
It was.
And then here comes the big suitcase.
Exactly. Exactly. So I thought, well, that's it. I didn't even make it out of the state and my models are destroyed. But they fared really well. No damage. So we're happy.
No, your grill did come out.
It did, but don't tell anybody that.
Well, it went back in.
It did. That's what I mean. It went right back in.
Yeah,
I didn't have to
no
fix
damage.
it. No damage. No damage.
No damage at all. Just the grill fell out, but you know that's easy. That's easy fix. Didn't break the grill.
No, it did not
Just
break the
popped
grill.
right out because did you forget to glue it?
I might have.
Okay, I'm thinking. That just clicked with me. He never even glued the darn thing.
I think I did actually.
It was a tight fit.
It was friction fit.
Yeah, that 70 GTX grill is a little tight to get in there. I actually had to shave the back of my headlights out for it to fit in there.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, it didn't fit right. So
Oh, yeah.
anyway, they're on the table at JaxCon, and I don't know when this video will go out, whether it will go out on Saturday morning. My plan is to get up early, put it out on Saturday. I don't know. We will see. You will see. Just want to jump on here. Say, hey, my buddy Jason's here. He'll learn to talk like a normal human being before he leaves here. Hopefully. I'm just playing. Nah, he can go back and talk like, you know, those New Hampshire people talk all the time.
I was going to say, I'm working on it.
He's working on it. Well, I don't know. We shall see.
We shall.
We shall see. Heather went out today to St. Simon's Island, and it was raining all day, and I hate that for them, but I think they had a good time.
They did. Heather almost got to pet a pelican.
She has a picture of a big pelican at the pier at St. Simon's Island. Big pelican. She's right there on that thing.
Yep. Yeah. She had a good time.
Yeah, it was good.
So this is working out really well.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we will see you at the show. And we'll see whose thumbnail's the best, because that's the one you're going to click on, is the one with the best thumbnail.
It's gonna be.
That's how it works.
It's gonna be.
You find the best looking car or whatever at the show, you take a picture of it, so everybody anticipates that your video is going to be that darn good.
That darn good.
All right, guys, we'll talk to you later, and go check out the Blue Ox Model Shop if you haven't already. I'm sure you have. And go check out Fred Henry's live, where we did the quick 15-minute live over there. And all right, we're out of here. See you at JaxCon, and it's going to be cool. All right,
Awesome.
See you guys.
See you guys.